and then you're going to walk into it. But make sure you remove any eyeglasses so that the essential oils do not start eating at the glass. And then put your label on it, and it's so the last one that you're going to do is with your massage. So this would be as if you're doing a massage. You would put in your carrier oil, and about for a typical lady, it'd be about 25 mils to 30 mils. Up to a man with a lot of hair, could be right up to 60 mils. But again, your blend's never going to change, right?
Always the same amount.
Always the same amount for your essential oils. Okay, so you would put your essential oils. Now this you guys aren't going to do. You will if in case studies and that when you're doing them. You're going to put your blend in.
So what are we doing now?
This is as if you were going to do a massage.
Okay.
So you're going to put your blend in. Okay, and then all you would do is stir. And then you would want to put it onto a little plate and take it into the room with you. So you don't have to take the stir stick, of course, with you. And then when you're using it, you would just pour some out in your hand and then apply it onto the person. And that would be now your aromatherapy blend.